Okay. I will go to the filming now. It's for you. Buy tea. Buy tea. First I will go to the Real Street. This name is Real Street. And I will film from start to from the Walking Street, from entrance of Walking Street. This is Santa Street. This is calling Santa Street, and this street is the Real Street name. It's Tequila Reef. Music I will cut with thank you, billiard here. Only two person in billiard play.
I thought you did it by one. I was.
Indian restaurant is empty. Hammer closed. Not open. Hello, do you know when Hammer Cafe when it will open?
Next month.
Only next month. Okay, thank you. So next month only Hammer will be open. Next month it's June. So time now 9:20 p.m. After sit in Kokomas with live stream, I walking now in the Red Street and show to you what's new now in Red Street, because 1 week I not filming here. Every week I go to, once a week I go to Red Street, Walking Street, and filming for you. Some people thinking I walk every day in Red Street, Walking Street. No. Only once a week I go to the Balibago and filming in the Walking Street, Red Street. I don't know what he said. Invite maybe in the bar, I don't know. I just want to today walk and talk. I will try, but so noisy here. So noisy. Copyright music maybe sometimes, maybe some of part of the video I need to cut again. And this masquerade bar who sit in the outside complain. They don't want to, if I stream from the Kokomas. I sit in the Kokomas in this corner. It's good because Wi-Fi have, but sometimes Wi-Fi lost signal. You can see in Kokomas many people now. And guys, I never hide camera. I hold my camera in my hand and filming. Everybody can see how I filming. Who don't want hide face? Who don't want to run? I don't know what. But I not hide camera. I give to chance to people to hide who don't want to in the video. That's why I not hide camera. I don't want hide camera. Weather very good right now. Little bit windy and fresh air is good. And this part of the Walking Street usually silent, don't have music, so this is part is more silent, half of the Walking Street. In front of Baccarat, car park. And police cannot drive because police it's only one way. It's not easy to drive now. So need to remove car. Yes, he park car and Korean, I don't know. It's good car, Mustang. Police also. He already not stop me. I walk and he not stop. Already no attention. This guy from January 13 bar. Cafe Clara also. Cafe Clara have Americano 70 peso, cappuccino 130, latte, cafe latte 150. So you can see it also Korean restaurant. Gossip also full, so many people. Dragon Bar open. Club Asia for rent. Yeah, this is silent parts of Red Street. But later they can start music, live band here. If live band noisy, so usually I cut video if here live band have. Happy hour from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Happy hour. But I don't know what is happy hour. Is like discount or not? Someone who know, please write in comments what is this happy hour. Maybe discount time. That's why maybe they said happy hour. Also, soon we open this part and can sit here and drink. Yeah. Also can order pizza here. It's good. MacArthur Highway. Busy. I need to go to the Marisol village this way because Georgi waiting for me. Yes, so traffic, heavy traffic because now Friday. Friday usually so many people, so many heavy traffic. Budget foods, McDonald's. It's CR for many people who live here. They go to CR.